First we need to tell them who they are, right?
Dinosaurs.
They're dinosaurs?
Yeah.
What kind of dinosaurs? What's this?
Duckbill.
Good job.
And this is Ceratops. See, look.
That is so cool, man!
And me too.
Oh no! You killed him!
No, we are not horns.
Oh! I'm supposed to kill him. Bring him back. Okay. Now I kill him. Boom! Hey!
Look, look.
Okay. I attack and you attack. Yay! Look, I'm gonna sniff the camera.
Me too.
No, that's not the camera! Get out of the way!
Yeah.
So, what do you want to play?
Chicken.
Oh no, it's the Harley monster!
Yeah, attack!
No. Harley! See, Harley's right.
There's Harley. There's the dog.
No, she's just the dog.
And then a T-Rex.
Okay, I want to play the T-Rex.
And me pig. No, a T-Rex. Let's get down.
They always get down?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. He's dead.
And him, get on it.
Uh-oh.
No.
You want to show him Harley? Why
Yeah.
don't you show him Harley?
Okay.
You need to pick it up and show him Harley.
Hey.
Oh, they can. I think they can see it. Harley.
Okay. Got in again.
Now they can see Harley. Okay, you play. Uh-oh, wrong way. What did I just do? Uh-oh, Cece did something. Okay, you play. You can't see their faces.
Yeah. This is Startup face.
Oh, read! Back here, so they... Okay, babe, you play with them. Okay. Now it's time for their nappy time.
Nice.
Yeah, you're making another YouTube video. Oh, be quiet.
A dinosaur one.
Uh-oh. Reeve, I did something. Reeve, maybe next time we should show them how you make that sound. Uh-oh. It's recording. Here, make that sound. Come over here and make that sound.
What the?
Do it again. That's fine. Uh-oh. Hey, Reeve, is that your boat? Your boat? No, right there, silly. Not the TV. The boat.
Yes.
He's an evil boat?
Yeah.
How evil? I'm gonna see if I can get out of this now. Okay. Stop watching now. My computer's being lame.